Good morning, students. So today we are studying democracy and equality. Okay. So in previous classes we seen about what is the democracy and what is the equality. Okay. And which are the provisions are in Constitutions of India. What is meant by Constitution of India? Constitutions of India, it is the rule of law. Okay, and in this way, how the government of India is continuing or implementing the different schemes and providing laws to protect rights of people. Okay, it's the duty of constitutions. So next, in previous classes we seen about what how the equality will establish with the help of what equality before law means that all the peoples have equal laws. Okay, and every people having equality before the law means it does not mean that the people will on the basis of their caste, religion, sex and economical condition is behaving or treating different. Okay, means all the provisions of laws are equally available to the people. Next is prohibitions of discrimination, means Constitutions of India providing safeguards. Okay, next equal access to public places and public facilities, and after that abolitions of untouchability. Okay, means nowadays in case the person is doing the practice of untouchability, the person is punishable under the laws. Okay, so today we will be discussing about what equality in the government. Okay, so equality and government. So what are the provisions in Constitutions of India are providing equality? Okay, how? So for the protection, Constitutions of India giving the laws. Okay, giving laws for protect the rights of people, है ना, यानी जो लोगों के जो अधिकार जो है ना, एक सामान्य नागरिक के जो अधिकार है उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या है, लॉस दिए हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में. ये हो गया लोगों को प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. बट to protect the rights of people, it is provided by the different laws. Okay, we seen yesterday. But how the equality will be established? Okay, for the establishing the equality, some of the provisions like different government scheme is implemented are introduced by the government to establishing the equality between the among the establishing the equality among the peoples of the different caste, religion, economical conditions. So there are some schemes. So one of that schemes we are studying under this lesson, midday meal scheme. Okay, midday meal scheme. So आप सभी को पता होगा कि स्कूल्स में क्या मिलता है कि दोपहर में खाना मिलता है ना. So midday meal scheme. So midday meal scheme is first of all introduced in the states of Tamil Nadu. Okay, कौन से स्टेट में इंट्रोड्यूस की गई थी? तमिलनाडु स्टेट्स में. ओके, एंड इन द ईयर ऑफ 2001. ओके, सो 2001 में इसको क्या किया गया, इंप्लीमेंट किया गया था तमिलनाडु में. सो आफ्टर दैट इट इज नोटिस्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया and giving order to the central government within the 6 month of year, the government of the concerning states implement midday meal schemes in their concerning states. Okay, so the constitution is provided by the laws protecting the rights of people and equality established by the different scheme. So one of that midday meal scheme. So next is what are the achievements of the midday meal scheme. अब स्कीम्स तो आ गई है ना, अब स्कीम्स आने के बाद में क्या हुआ कि उसका अचीवमेंट्स आर विच हु इज द beneficiary of that schemes. Okay, so midday meal schemes are what are the which are the achievements of the midday meal schemes. Okay, so क्या होगा मिड डे मील स्कीम से? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट इज increasing enrollment. Okay, increasing enrollment. So increasing means कि स्कूल में दोपहर में खाना मिलता है करके क्या हुआ कि धीरे धीरे जो अब्सेंस जो होता था, जो ड्रॉप आउट रेट जो था स्कूल्स में, वो क्या हुआ कि डिक्लाइन होते गया एंड इंक्रीजिंग द एनरोलमेंट्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, by the different groups of societies. Okay, it has increased the enrollment and attendance rate. So due to which that attendance rates will increase. Attendance rates is increase of poor children. So why this? Because of poor children the poor family are having major questions to them for 2 times eating. Okay, so that's why the poor children are doing job with their families. Okay, doing job with their families, so that's why they are not attending the schools. Okay, but after the introducing this midday meal scheme, increasing enrollment and attendance rates of the poor children. Next, उसके बाद after that जो क्लासरूम हंगर जो था है ना, क्लासरूम हंगर. ओके, अब पुअर स्टूडेंट एंड सो अब क्या होगा कि भूखे पेट तो कभी किसी की भक्ति नहीं हो सकती है ना. तो इन द सिमिलर वे द स्टूडेंट्स इज नॉट giving attention to their study, but due to introductions of the midday meal schemes, they giving more attention, paying attention to their study. And next is freedom to working mother. Okay, freedom to working mother. अब जो वर्किंग मदर जो थी, अब क्या हुआ कि वर्किंग मदर क्या करेंगे कि सिर्फ उसको केयर टेक करने का काम करेंगी. बट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द मिड डे मील स्कीम्स, द boys or girls is going to school, and that's why his mother is free from the caring, and the students will going to study at school. Means along with study and food. Okay, both the things will get sequentially. Okay, and there is no problems of lunch. Okay, so it's the benefit of midday meal scheme. And fourth and last one is that after that midday meal scheme introduction, fourth one is that equality. Okay, how the equality? So during the midday meal scheme serving, okay, है ना, at the school, so what the students of different caste and religion and economical condition are sitting at the same place. Okay, and they sharing their food. Okay, so that's why there is what establishing equality between among the students of the different strata. It is the benefit of, or it is the achievements of midday meal schemes. Okay, and there is what disadvantaged peoples or groups of societies also get advantage of the education and establishing or maintaining the harmony among the different peoples. Okay, so that's why it is about the midday meal scheme. But midday meal scheme, midday meal schemes, and after that lot of schemes are introduced by the government of state India, like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and nowadays are RTE, Right to Education Act. So what is the provision in that RTE? There is what the sum of weaker sections of society's students will enroll in the topmost schools on the basis of lucky draw. Okay, and under these provisions the student is not paying tuition fees and so on. Okay, just only one is minimum amounts of fees, admission on the minimum amount of fees. Okay, it is the under RTE Education Act. And some of the scholarship schemes also. Okay, some of scholarship schemes and JNV. So these are the schemes which are introduced by Government of India. Okay, so still all these schemes are prevail, but there is what some of the discrimination is also prevailing in the society. So government is minimizing all these discriminations among the peoples. Next is equality in other societies. Okay, equality is other societies. So what happened at the equality in other societies means that all over world different peoples and different community wise or social peoples are living at the same time. And there is what some of what in the America or Africa countries. Okay, so what happened is there some are white peoples. Okay, some are the white peoples and some are the black. Some are black. Okay, some is white and black. So there is a discrimination among the peoples. Means the white people are less in number, but they are overruling the black peoples. The black people doesn't have right to vote, right to earn, and right to education and so on. Okay, so that's why these peoples are under the some leader. They are striving, they are struggling to exist their lives. Okay, so and this movement is known as civil right movements. Okay, and this movement is known as civil rights movements. And after that, this rights movement, they establishing the Civil Right Act in 1964. In 1964, which giving protections to the people and prohibiting the discrimination on the basis of their race, caste and religion. Okay, so this is about what democracy and equality. So this lesson is completed here. Okay, so next will be lesson tomorrow. Have a nice day.